Ah!
Welcome to AskTetsu. I've been raised in multiple languages, and today I am raising my 4 kids in 5 languages. Subscribe if you'd like to know how I do it so that you can also unlock the world's opportunities for your children. For those of you who've been following our channel for a while know that we raise our kids in English, French, Japanese, Mandarin, and Spanish. For these languages, I speak Mandarin exclusively to the kids. My wife speaks Japanese exclusively to the kids. We live in Quebec, so they go to school in French, and we bring in au pairs from Mexico so they get extensive exposure to Spanish from them. Now, English is the only one where we don't have one big consistent strategy, but we sort of piece together various different strategies, mini strategies, I guess, to let them get exposure to English. Anytime we could find different ideas for them to learn English or to use English, then we'll try to integrate that into our lives. And today we have a new example. So Ronnie is an 8-year-old boy who loves tinkering with things. So we bought him a toy called Smart Robot. So this type of idea allows us to harvest his motivation and get him to read a lot of stuff in English. So there's going to be a manual in here that he's going to read in English. And this toy is actually designed for 13-year-olds. So let's see if he's going to be able to decipher everything and successfully build this robot. Are you ready, Ronnie?
Yes!
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! I finished! Yay!
Okay, Ronnie. So how was it?
It was a success and I liked it.
Yeah?
And it works.
It works. Was it hard?
A little bit.
Was the manual difficult to read?
Nope.
No? Did you learn some new vocabulary in English?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, well, so there you go. Learning English while doing something you love. Now, if you are interested in learning other strategies and concepts that we teach on this channel, do check out the playlist right down there in that corner. And if you want to see our kids speaking different languages, there's another playlist right below this window. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.